Right, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. So the last couple of hours in Marmaris. Then thought we'd just take you for a quick morning walk. Everyone out on the beach nice and early, enjoying themselves. God damn right. Squeaky feet.
Very squeaky feet.
Yeah. Don't know what it is when you get to your 40s, but bloody hell. Woke up, had a shower, and then poof, out my behind my back, left shoulder is killing me. I've got to carry a heavy bag today. It's like it's taking my breath away. I don't know. It's not good getting old, is it? This is new, isn't it? I don't remember this one, but maybe it's not new. Part of the hotel. What's supposed to be in?
The rooms.
Batman.
That's this one.
What a beautiful day it is. Everyone's told me we're coming back to the grey, cold. We've only got a few weeks and then we'll be back out again. Do more. Morning.
But yeah, I'll be going back to Canaries next time around.
Yeah, next time you see us. Well, maybe the next time you see us. But maybe this will be the last video that comes out. So then the one after this video will be in the Canary Islands. Doing a quick Canary bounce. Gonna have one quick day in Lanzarote, and then I think we got 4 or 5 in Gran Canaria at R&B Weekender. There's the water park here. Sabrina went in there the other day.
There's another one as well, isn't there? So there's this one. There's 2 others, isn't there?
There's one more up the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the guy from Thingy, what's his name? I can't remember the show. You know, with Groot.
Are they what?
Groot, remember Groot?
Yeah.
Yeah? Remember, you know what I'm talking about?
No.
No, you don't know.
Rude.
Yeah, the space film.
Oh, where does it go?
Yeah. Yeah, do you remember? The big guy, what's his name in it?
Oh, the main actor who plays Vin Diesel.
Alright, Sabrina has no idea what I'm on about. She can't look at that guy behind him and think, who would that look like in that film?
Oh, yeah. I don't know the actor's name.
Okay, so wrestler guy,
Yeah, I've forgotten his name though, but I know the name.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
The one who was a bit stupid in the film.
Yeah. So yeah. Look at this move though. God, every time I move. Whew. Hopefully I won't be fit to fly and I have to stay, so we're gonna have to go home. I'll stay for another couple of weeks till my back feels better. Free pool table in there. Yeah, the hotel that we stayed at in Ishmael, for some reason they were trying to charge you £4 for pool. For 1 hour. And a bit across the road, same pool table, free. I don't understand that. Especially when you're all-inclusive guests. Some facilities should need to be for free. And they was even trying to say the ping pong ball and stuff like that to play. But yeah, we didn't do that.
Yeah, we went to that Edinburgh. It was free. You can just get a drink and ate it there, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is a big colour park. Or something park anyway. A little... what's that volleyball over there? Yeah guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Share to your friends and family. Hit that notification button so you can keep up to date. Oh God, I need to stretch this arm out, something. But yeah, for all you with my pains, you have a nice break from work when I get home. All this working.
There, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's nice, yeah. Got some copyright music next to the pool. It looks nice pool though.
Yeah, this one's quite nice. It's a bit shaded. So
Yeah, well you got a bit of both, didn't you?
Yeah.
Got the palm trees shading you up. Yeah, everyone getting their beers in. We need to get some in. We need to go back to our all-inclusive in a minute and get some beers. But yeah, look at that. Nice hotel. Nice bar. Nice little cabanas back there as well. You can just chill out. Got the Irish pub. We haven't visited all these pubs yet. We try to hit as many as we can. But, there's some that you can go to. Like we went to the new Boom Bar. That was quite good. Free pool, free darts, beer pong.
Yeah,
You'll see that in the video, that will already be out.
that's a new one, isn't it? That's really
Yeah,
nice.
brand new. Food is reasonably priced as well.
Yeah, they did nice veggie options like a falafel burger.
Well, they do all your normal burgers. $4.99 for breakfast, good. Another one. What is this music?
It's like a smaller pool, isn't it?
What is this music about? Strange music. I mean, let me know in the comments if this is what you're into, because it's not really for me, this type of music. It's a bit like we're going somewhere. Morning. Whew. What is that? It's like theatre music or something.
Yeah, it does sound a bit, but yeah. Like the 1920s or 30s. Or...
That's just what you want to hear when you're around the pool, chilling out. Get break into dance. Oh, that big hotel there. It leads you straight onto the beach. Oh, hold on. I was meant to... I don't think I got internet. No.
So we made those slushies on the boat yesterday, didn't we?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
It's just doing it for the show. Oh, this is the one you went into a while back with the little player at the back, wasn't it?
Yeah,
And
it's
everyone.
really big outside space, quite a nice
Very
little
big.
area.
They got the biggest TV screen as well, I think they said, didn't they?
Yeah, I don't know if that's still true now, but yeah, they do have a massive TV in there.
There's one there. Yeah.
And the darts on the tables.
No, people love to dance on tables. And this one, the Green Nature Diamond. So yeah, I walked past the front of it, it looked massive and it's ginormous. Look at the stage as well. Very nice. I don't know if like I said before, I don't know if I could stay in a big hotel. Not saying I won't, but I don't know if I enjoy it as much as little hotels where get a bit more personal, the personal touch to it. Yeah, very nice. So you got there. What's that? Demir boat. Daily boat trips. Our boat was rammed yesterday. I think you could take 84 and they had 74. So there's a few spaces spare. Morning. Good, thank you. We didn't need, sorry.
Oh, we're leaving today.
We're leaving today, sorry. Looked very disappointed.
On our day.
Imagine getting disappointed because we can't take your leaflet. Yeah, guys, anyway. So we're going to end it here. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.